Hello, this is Nicholas from Zest with Benefits. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice Greek chicken soup with egg and lemon, Avgolemono, using the chicken stock from the cooking class that we did before. Check the link on the top right corner. For this recipe we're gonna need 500 grams of chicken, 100 grams of orzo or rice, carrot, onion, leek, celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, 2 lemons, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, bay leaves, salt and pepper. We begin by placing in a large pot the chicken stock and bring it to a boil. Aromatise it with bay leaves, reduce the heat to a low simmer. We add the vegetables and cook them for about 20 minutes. Then add the chicken with the lemon zest and let it cook over a nice simmering. When the chicken is done, add the orzo or the rice and simmer over a low heat for 20 minutes until the orzo or the rice is tender. In the meantime, we whisk the eggs, cornflour with the lemon juice in a bowl. When the rice or orzo is done, turn off the heat. Whisk 1 ladle full of hot broth into the eggs slowly so the eggs do not curdle. Gradually whisk in more broth until the egg mixture is heated. This is called tempering the eggs. Then pour the egg mixture back into the pot, whisking briskly. The result should be a creamy cloud-looking soup. You may season with adding salt, pepper or lemon juice at this point. You can serve this dish as it is with the chicken and the veggies. You can always add extra lemon or some chili flakes to decorate your plate. This is an amazing soup to serve to your loved ones, especially if they feel under the weather. I will have more info on how to make it if you don't have the chicken stock in the description below. Please leave your comments with your favorite comfort food, with any question that you might have. Don't forget to like or dislike this video. Subscribe because it really helps the channel to grow. And until next time, bye!